Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you, support Kid. We got the CoinsKid crew. So right now, if, and it is a big if, okay, we have rolled here, we have lost this key level support, and like I said to you, we was targeting a pattern on the 4-hourly time frame, and Adam and Eve pattern just there for XRP. You've got this key level resistance just there, you know, and then you've got this beautiful Adam and Eve pattern just come down like that, and then you got your rounding bottom start to come up, ran into the 20, you got rejected and you're rolling. So because of that, you are now in a technical break target to the downside. I'm going to give you an area where you get some cheeky bids in for XRP. We switch to the daily time frame. I can show you exactly what I mean. So this is not necessarily a target just yet, because you've not actually closed the day below this reversal wave, because what you've done here, you created this reversal wave down, okay, to test the key level support just there, wicked back above. Look at the wick yesterday, start to come back above. Now today we are rolling still, so if you close the day below 76.06, then you are in a Fibonacci 1618 target. Okay, reversal wave target down there at 63.74. So I do think you get some cheeky bids in down there if you see it continue to wick. Now all of this here, okay, this is a weekly sort of candlestick just there. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so a lot can happen in a weekly candlestick. Let's take a look at this. So look, a lot happened in this weekly candlestick. You see the wick down, okay, we had that wick down, enormous buyback of support, and closed back above this key level support, you know, inside this pattern basically. So a lot of people here are really fearful, okay, obviously, granted, I understand why, but a lot can happen in a week. We've got 4 days of trading left. You could get your little wick down, start to come back up, and this is all inside this candle here, okay, you know, like here, got this huge candle, huge wick down, and start to come back up into the pattern and close back in the pattern. So don't necessarily count XRP off at this moment just because it's fallen out of the pattern. Like I said to you, you have to close below support to confirm the downtrend, and you have to close above resistance to confirm the breakout to the upside basically. So you know, this is a really important weekly candle. If XRP does close this week below this key level support, you're closing way below the 55, okay, and you are closing outside a huge horizontal continuation pattern. And if you start to do that, you're giving more of a bias to the fact that you're rolling, and you're going to come down to this key level of support just there, because look, you've lost support just there. Your next support is here. You're currently like sitting around about here, okay, so it doesn't look good, but this is what happens. You get shakeouts in these bull markets basically, and I'm going to show you this particular scenario that we went through in 2017 as well before the breakout. So remember this image I shown you yesterday from Trader 1976. I mean, look at the striking similarities to the price action right now. You start to come up, this is where we are right now, we've come down, you start to come up a bit, yay, and then whew, one little rug pull. Look at this, very similar scenario. You've got your peaks and your troughs. Look, very similar scenario before we got the last shakeout, the V-shaped recovery, start to come back up and broke out to the upside, putting that impulsive break. So you know, I'm not saying, you know, it's entirely up to you. I don't give financial advice, but I'm saying these shakeouts are very common. So it's hanging on by the skin of its teeth right now, isn't it, XRP? This weekly candle is really important. And like I said to you, you've broken out of a huge bump and run pattern, and you are falling back to this trend line of support. So technically this is still a nice little breakout pattern with a reversal up to the upside. You've already retested this level of resistance, so providing you can hold this trend line, you will start to come back up and retest these key levels of resistance as well. And like I said to you, on the weekly, you know, if you close above this key level resistance, confirmation break to the upside, impulsive break of the high. You close below, you've got a reversal pattern, and you're starting to come down. You can see where your lows are down here, okay. Now if you start to lose these lows down here, then I do think you're creating a whopping descending triangle. You're going to lose support, and your technical target will be down there at 30 cents, I think it is. We've already calculated that out, haven't we? So yeah, don't be shaken out basically. It's entirely up to you what you do, but I'll just relay the charts and tell you what I see, okay. Take care everyone, back soon with another XRP update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.